Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Sharma Ji Ki Beti. In this video we'll be talking about Korean beauty. That's right, you have been hearing this word all over social media. Korean beauty and skincare has become a rage in India. मतलब लोग साउथ कोरिया से स्किन केयर मंगवा रहे हैं ट्राई करने के लिए. Since I'm prominently on social media, I got tempted and I got my hands on Korean beauty and skincare, and that is what this video is going to be about. So stay tuned. So, video के पहले part में I'll be talking about what I got, and in the second part I will talk about where I got it from and how the experience was. I got my hands on 2 lip tints and 1 face mask. Let's talk about the lip tints first. So these 2 lip tints are from this brand called Etude. मेरे पास इनका lip tint cheek tint already था जो मैं ख़त्म कर चुकी हूँ literally because I loved it so much. कोयल की आवाज़ आ रही है. Ignore that. So yeah, these two are from Etude House. They cost for 950 rupees each, but मुझे बहुत amazing discount पे मिला है, which I will be talking about in the later part of the video. So the first shade here is called Midnight Mauve, and that's what I'm wearing on my lips. It is very comfortable on the lips. मुझे ऐसा लग नहीं रहा मैंने कुछ लगाया. And let's do a transfer test. Nope, nothing transferred. So it's a very light lip tint. That's what it looks like. And even though इसका packaging बहुत like वैसा है, it's slightly different when it comes to the shade. So let me just show you here. That's what Midnight Mauve looks like. Very comfortable on the lips. The next shade that I have with me here is called, wait a second, it's called Smoky Cherry. So that's what it looks like, quite vibrant. And let me just look how vibrant this is. So let me just swatch it here. See how vibrant is this? Those are the 2 shades that I got from Etude House. Last one is this. Well, sorry. For the face mask, this is by also Etude. Okay. I just noted that this mask is also from Etude because this reads Sonjung. So मुझे लगा Sonjung is a brand, but no. Okay. Since 1988, this is a sheet mask which contains panthenocide. Says this is a low irritant sheet mask, charges skin with moisture as it gently wraps skin and soothes with panto something. So I'm excited to try this face mask out. When I try it, I'll let you know, probably in the shorts. So talking about where I got these from, I got these from a app called Macaron. So मुझे काफ़ी टाइम से ये ऐप दिख रही थी, and it basically sells Korean beauty products, Korean skincare products. I can link it here. That's what the app looks like. Really like tempted me to buy this was ये जो एक lip tint है, that's for 950 rupees, and in 950 rupees I not just got this lip tint but also this and a sheet mask. So in 950 rupees I got these 3 products. Placing this order, I got 3 options. Either I go for COD or I go for UPI, or the third option is simple where you can convert your spending into installments. So आप installments में pay कर सकते हो, but I paid via UPI. So immediately after I placed the order, I was checking the app and I saw a lot of these posts where people had said that their delivery was getting quite late. Like people had waited for about a month, 2 months to get their order. They had to get after Macaron's team to get the order. Many people said that they were writing them emails and there was no response, this and that. So I was a little skeptical कि पता नहीं मेरा order आएगा नहीं आएगा, have I wasted my money? So मुझे 24 घंटे तक तो ये दिख रहा था that it was processing, right? जैसे हम किसी भी ऐप पे कोई भी ऑर्डर प्लेस करते हैं, Amazon, whether it's Nykaa, whatever, जहाँ पर भी हम ऑर्डर प्लेस करते हैं, it immediately shows that, oh, your order has been accepted and it will be shipped soon. Most of the apps show that it will be shipped soon, or they show you the delivery date ki is date tak aa jayega. On this app it was just saying processing. So I think starting के 2 दिनों तक it was just showing processing. So I was just wondering कि पता नहीं मेरा order आएगा भी या नहीं आएगा. But in 1 week I got these products. I think it worked out because it was in their inventory. But if you're looking for a product which is not so commonly available in India, it's not very popular, then it might take some time. So that was my honest experience. Will I be shopping from Macron again or not? I don't know, because I'm on the fence about it. I like the products, but will I be shopping from Macron again? I don't know. So the final verdict, will I be shopping from this app again or not? It totally depends if the brand sorts out these delivery issues at the earliest and everybody gets their orders on time just like I did, then it'll be great. And I think we will have more options like Nykaa, Tira, and then Macron. Other than that, my experience was good, but I cannot take the responsibility of everybody else. I think जो products easily India में available हैं या India में popular हैं, they get delivered fast, and जो products इतने famous नहीं हैं, they take time. So that was my honest experience and I just wanted to share it with you. आपको ये video कैसी लगी? Let me know in the comment section below. And I hope you're enjoying the beauty videos that are coming your way. I would love to make more such videos. And thank you for tuning in. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.